Welcome to TCI's DecisionLender 4 training series. This tutorial will show the user how to perform an audit within an application. The application audit will provide the user with the details of what modifications occur within an application, as well as the username, date, and time that the changes were made. To begin, log into DecisionLender. You are brought to the landing page. From the My Apps page, click on the application number that you would like to perform the audit for. This will bring you to the Decision Summary page. Click on the Review tab. Then click on the Audit sub-tab. This will open the Application Audit page. The user may filter the audit records in the Search Criteria section. The user may search by username, keyword, action, status, start date and time, or end date and time. In this example, we will search by username. You may enter more than one field at a time to narrow your search. Click Apply when you've completed entering the criteria. This will display the filtered audit criteria. You will see the username, the org, which is the client name that is assigned to the user ID, the org type, which is the client type assigned to the client name, such as lender, dealer, or sublender, date and time, action, which is the type of action performed, create, update, delete, etc., object type, which is the area within DecisionLender where the changes were made, for example, application, collateral, etc., status of the application, and changes. Under the Changes column, the magnifying glass will allow the user to view the changes. This will open the Audit Change Details page. This page is useful for comparing the previous value with the new value. This concludes the tutorial. If you need further assistance, you can contact TCI Client Support at 1-800-492-2001, option 3. Thank you for choosing TCI's DecisionLender.